ants.
Sir.
Are we filming? Welcome to I Love Nature. I'm your host, Molly. How are you today? What am I kidding? You can't talk back to me. You're a camera. All right, today we're going to be exploring the outside world. Cut.
Okay, cut.
Oh, God, this is horrible. How do people even watch this crap?
Sir, turn around.
Oh. Blimey! Look at that! There's a bird in that tree.
Sir, where is it?
Put the camera back on me. I'm gonna go climb up on that tree and get that bird down to safety. I'll be right back, folks. Whoa! I got it and it's okay. Okay, folks, now we're going to cross the street. Now, kids, when you do cross the street, make sure that you look both ways before crossing. And always hold the hand of an adult. Except for you, you're the cameraman. Ready? We're gonna look both ways twice. 1, 2. Okay, let's cross. Okay, we crossed the street. Great job. Let's look around. Maybe we can find a wild viper snake. Whoa! Look!
That's a stick.
It's not. Wow. Remember, kids, never touch a viper snake. They have a real good bite. Now we're in the middle of the wilderness. Who knows what we'll find? Stop. Who knows what we'll find here? Now, kids.
Are you sure we're supposed to go this way?
Always, of course we did. Do you think there's a no trespassing sign? Over here. Now, kids, always follow your police. Unless you're me, because I have special clearance. I have a permit. Don't ask where it is. Just, I do. Trust me. You can trust me. Okay, let's see what we can find. Now, kids, when you're in the wilderness, you must always be careful. Me and my cameraman here, we're experts, so we know what to watch out. Did you drop the camera?
I think I broke my leg.
I apologize, folks. We had some technical difficulties because we had a little mishap, but everything is fine now. Our camera is just fine. Wow, look at this! Get a shot of this.
What?
Look at that!
It's a leaf, sir.
It's a nest.
Sir, look at this.
What about it?
What is it?
Well, obviously it's just a homemade drinking well for the elephants.
Elephants?
Elephants. Come on, cameraman. Wow! Look at this! Can anybody tell me what this is? Well, I can't either. And you know what, kids? You know what? That's why we have Google.
We're filming.
Oh, excuse me. What of all luck? We found a nice steady branch for our cameraman to sit on. I tested it myself, folks. It's safe and... Well, folks, that's it for today. Thank you so much for going on our trip with us. It's been... I can't even explain how good it's been. It's been more than anything. Me and my cameraman, both of us.